I did my eyebrows before I did this video. First things first, for this makeup look, I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Hangover Primer. Y'all know this is one of my go-to primers. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. I am so excited. I have some really exciting news to tell you guys, but I really want to wait till it's definitely confirmed. I'm gonna go in with my lip scrub, and this is the Beauty Trees Wild Apple Lip Scrub. I love lip scrubs so much because I tend to have really dark lips. I'm thirsty again. Alright guys, next I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced. I spit all over the place just now. I'm gonna go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. Y'all, I love this freaking foundation. It's in the shade Mahogany. So I'm just gonna put on my beauty blender. This foundation goes a long way, so you do not have to use a lot. So I'd rather like start off with a little bit. If I have to, you know, add more, then we're gonna add more. I love foundations where, because I have a weird skin tone. Like, I'm not light skin, I'm not dark skin, but like I'm not really, like, I'm medium, but not really. Like, I have this weird caramel, orangish undertone to my skin. So a lot of times, especially with cheaper makeup brands, I have to mix my colors. I have to mix my foundations. But I love those foundations where I literally find my perfect. I hate people with loud cars. Yeah, I literally love those foundations where all I have to do is, you know, put it on my face. I don't have to mix it with anything else. It literally, all you need, in my opinion, is a dime size of this foundation. It goes such a long way. Don't forget that under chin. I'm gonna go in with my MILANI Make It Last setting spray, just a little bit. Girl. Next, I'm gonna go in with my concealer, and I'm using the Stay Matte by RIMMEL London. I don't really care for this concealer as much as I would any other concealer that I usually use, but I've been using it lately and it's pretty okay. It blends pretty well, so honestly, that's all that matters. We can drive away and go so far. If this is something that you're trying to quit, tell me if you're down now. You know I'll be coming. If this is something that you're trying to, tell me if you're down. I'm down now. And now I'm going to blend. Come in and take up all the space in. In effort to set our concealer, we're gonna go in with the Too Faced translucent powder. Y'all, I just love everything about Too Faced. Like, to me, it's the best brand. Too Faced, Tarte. I definitely love NYX because NYX is an inexpensive brand that really never fails me. Like, their Brilliant Glitters, I love those. Just applying that in the spots that I applied my concealer. Next, we're going to contour, and so I'm going to go in with my Absolute New York strobing and shading palette, and I'm going to use this thin contour brush to contour my nose first. We're going to go in with this Eco Styles brush. This is a very like dewy and natural makeup tutorial, so I don't want to apply like a heavy contour. And I'm going to take my fan brush and I'm just going to blend. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Fetish palette for me to apply my highlight. And I'm going to be using my Morphe blending brush. I'm going to be using the color Rose Shock. Setting spray. I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paris Matte Nude Lip Color, and this is in the color Empower. This is freaky, I done brains, feel it in my legs and my chest and my neck. What a mess we made. Here, we're gonna have to get creative. Oh no, that's when it'll be the. Then I'm gonna go in with this black lip liner at COVERGIRL, just so I can line my lips. Smoking on a tree, while you stroking on me. This feels, this feels, this feels. This feels, this feels, this feels. I'm gonna go in with the Vivid Hot Liqueur by Maybelline, and this is in the color Too Cute. And now I'm going to spray some more of my setting spray. We're going to end the look with some mascara, and I'm going to be using the Wet n Wild Volume Mascara. I was going to do eyelashes, but we got to keep it natural as possible. So we're going to spray our setting spray one more time.
On my way. You ever me, touching me. Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed this very natural and dewy makeup tutorial. And yeah, you guys, try it out yourselves. If you do, tag me in it on Instagram. And yeah, you guys, I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye guys.